Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain where to find your Facebook QR code. To locate your personal QR code, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Then, look for the 3 horizontal dots or a similar menu icon, usually next to Add to Story or Edit Profile. Tap this icon, and you should see an option like QR code or Get QR code. This unique code allows others to easily add you as a friend or follow your profile with just one scan. Scanning a Facebook QR code is just as straightforward. When you want to add someone or follow a page using their QR code, open your Facebook app. Look for the search bar at the top and tap it. You'll often see a small QR code icon or a camera icon, usually on the right side. Tap this icon to open the scanner. Simply point your device's camera at the other person's Facebook QR code, and the app will automatically direct you to their profile or page. Facebook QR codes offer a super convenient way to connect. Instead of typing out names or searching through many profiles, you can instantly add friends or follow pages with a quick scan. This is especially useful at events, conferences, or when meeting new people in person. It streamlines the process, saving you time and ensuring you connect with the correct profile every time. It's a modern, efficient method for expanding your social network. For best results, ensure your QR code is clearly visible when sharing it. You can take a screenshot of your code and send it digitally, or even print it out for physical display. Remember that anyone who scans your code will be directed to your public profile, so be mindful of your privacy settings. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version to access all features and ensure smooth scanning functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.